If you're struggling to manage strategy and innovation in documents and spreadsheets, Praxie can help with a complete suite of out-of-the-box software tools for strategy and innovation management, AI-powered and easily tailored to your exact needs. Strategy development software, enabling AI-powered analysis of trends, customer needs, competition, as well as core competency and opportunity analysis, ultimately rolling up summaries of all phases of the process, and delivering a strategic roadmap and summary strategic plan for use in developing your KPI management. Innovation portfolio management with phases based on design thinking. Process forms for each phase, from new idea to production, with forms and workflows tailored to your unique process. And finally, beautiful dashboards for tracking actions and progress metrics. Once the strategic milestones are defined, it's time to track performance with methods like KPIs, OKRs, OGSM, X-Matrix, and Catchball for team collaboration. Praxie solutions can be delivered in days, are easy to use, and provide rapid ROI to our customers. Schedule a demo today and see Praxie's strategy and innovation solutions in action.